This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Doremus. Century Village East Berkshire Section next to main clubhouse. This 1-bedroom 1.5 bath 3rd floor condo has French doors to the sliding plexi-glass enclosed and A/Z balcony/Florida room with private garden views. There is tile flooring on the balcony and full set of accordion hurricane shutters. There is tile and laminate flooring throughout the unit. Updated bathrooms with seamless glass doorstep and shower. New central AC unit. Smooth ceiling in main bedroom with small crown molding. This is a 2-elevator building and this unit comes with a storage bin. Community is a gated complex with free transportation inside and out, bus stop and parking in front of this building. This is a non-rental building. New roof assessment has been paid by the seller. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Doremus at 561-981-9400.